Hi guys, I'm back. Today we have a nice shaving machine, rechargeable one that doesn't turn on, and today we want to find why. I want to start from this two screw, open it for taking out this cap and reaching to the batteries or maybe the circuits. Okay guys, I open the upper cap and reaching to the shaft of the motor. As you see, there is a eccentric shaft that convert rotating movement of the motor to the reciprocating movement for moving these parts and cutting the hairs. This is the principle of the working of this machine. Okay, we have to take out this plastic. I think this is a screwing. Yes, it has to open like this. This is the little motor of this electric shaver, the DC motor. And these are the batteries. As you see, the wires are disconnected. We have to check the battery that it's charged or no. If the battery is charged, we have to soldering this battery to the lead of the motor. Also, we have an on-off key and the charging port here, and we have to find how to connect the battery to the charging port and put the on-off key in the root of the powering the motor. I have to find how to take out this plastic cap from this side or maybe this side. Okay guys, after a pretty long investigation, I found that this cap has to take out like this, and we reach to the circuits, and now we have to soldering the battery to the plus and minus B and testing if the battery is taking charge or working on this motor, or we have to change the battery. I check the battery, and as you see, the battery is right, and just we have to connect the battery to the charging port, and I think this is the only problem of this shaver, and it had to be working right. Now I want to soldering the battery leads to the charger port. Okay guys, I soldered it. Now we have to put it to the pipe like this. And send the motor downward. As you see, it's working now guys perfectly, and I have to assemble all the parts on the shaving machine. Okay, first of all we have to close. Second screw. After that we have to put the spring like this, and then we have to close this screws. You have to put it with your hand because of the spring force, and close the screws. After closing, you have to put the spring on these notches. Like this guys. And as you see, the shaving machine is working perfectly. Okay guys, the shaving machine was repaired and it's now working perfectly. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Bye for now.